What's up, JJLEE squad? It is your boy Jordan, and I'm back with another video. I got a surprise for y'all. I got something in the mail. I'm going to turn my media down real quick. I just got through cleaning my car. This product right here. This video is sponsored by Headlight Restore USA. Well, US, but it's a headlight cleaner and also a headlight, preserver, I would say. It cleans it, before enslaved, after enslaved. Of course, sadly, they sent me this a long time ago, but I never got the time to make the video. Finally, I didn't want to use it on my old headlights, but finally, I'm gonna go ahead and clean my headlights. I just got through cleaning my car, waxing my car, vacuuming my car, so here's a little product right here, Headlight Restore US. They're in the US. They sent me this. Well, they sent me an email asking me if they don't want to try their product. I said yes. They also sent me an extra one. So if anybody wants this extra one, follow me on my Instagram and comment on your picture. Comment on one of my pictures saying, just comment with them. Follow, like, and comment. That's all you gotta do to win this extra pair right here. Alright, it's just a couple wipes. Just 3 easy steps, like it says: clean, dry, coat, clear, lights, tech, finishing, and coating with the UV protection layer for long lasting headlight brightness. I just got my headlights, so let's see, here's instructions. 1, make sure the headlights are dry. They're dry. I just did it. Wipe it with a paper towel. I will not wipe my headlights with a paper towel. You're crazy. But anyway, do a quick look of the car before I get to the headlight. Finally put a bulb in my side marker lights. But let me go ahead and start getting this product on, and I'll be right back. Let me get prepped up and ready for y'all. Alright, JJLEE squad, here's what it came with. Cleaning the headlights, clean the headlights, Headlight Restore. Man, let me go ahead and cut off my car real quick. God, I don't even think y'all can hear me right. It's too loud right now. I'll give y'all a rev another time. Bam. Okay, now I hope y'all can hear me better. There go the headlights. I just took off the little intake, so air can go through there. Cool the engine down more, because I got those headers get hot since I don't got no heat wrap on. So that's a lifesaver. But anyway, clean these headlights. Just look on the back. 2 cleaning wipes, and 1 coating wipe. Open the first pack in the one, unfold the cleaning wipe, and clean the headlight thoroughly using the wipe provided. Alrighty. Ew, this is wet. Feels funny too. Alright, here's that coating. I'm gonna clean the headlights. Let me make sure I aim this right. I'm being pretty amateur right now. I need to pay somebody to film me, bro. Who wanna film me? Cleaning the headlights. There we go. Like I said, follow me on Instagram, like a picture, and leave a comment. Go over here. Of course, who wouldn't want to keep their new headlights coated and protected, man? So I was like, dang, can't believe I forgot about. Sorry, the Headlights US, Headlight Restore US. Okay. Let me clean it up. Alright, JJLEE squad. Sorry for that quick ending, but here we go. Let it dry for a little bit. Dry the headlight with the paper towel. It says paper towel, but I'm going to use microfiber cloth, because paper towel scratches your headlight. Well, paper towel scratches in general, honestly. But oh, it's already looking. Well, the headlights look good anyway, but this is like holding it to so it won't get fuzzy. Said the headlights will look slightly matte after you're done cleaning them with that one cloth, which is like that. So clean them. It's kind of like prepping / restoring headlights. So again, thank you for Headlight Restore US, for sending this product over to clean my headlights with. Alright, open the second. I'm going to repeat the first 2 steps. First to clean and dry the second headlight. Oh, I use one on both of them, so. Alright, make sure both are completely dry. They're not too dry yet. I'm gonna go get a second towel. Or a second microfiber to clean it with. But anyway, like I said, I waxed like 3 times with, wax and dry. Turtle. Look at that. Alright. Let me get this. Can't get my rubber towel up. Doo-doo. Alright. Second, I can't even talk. All I use is microfiber towels. Bro. When I had my first car, I used bath towels. But the paint wasn't perfect, and this paint ain't perfect either, but Again, I can see my own reflection in this bitch. Go to the second one, but okay. I already can't read the instructions, right? They say it's completely dry, they said. I haven't been holding this camera right at all this whole video. But that's a struggle. There you go. But like I said, you're supposed to use 1 and 1 for each headlight, not the same one for both headlights. But I just use both sides. Protection layer, see? Rule pack number 2, do not unfold the white. Open thoroughly. White bulb has white part. The headlights are not good as new. Do not touch the headlights and avoid getting wet for 30 minutes. To speed up drying, the headlight may be turned on. Do not wet or wash the car for 24 hours. Luckily, I just washed it. So, let me go and turn on the headlights to heat them up a little bit. I'm gonna open the second packet for y'all. Dang. Scratching. Bam, bam. Alrighty. Let me open up the second packet. Don't unfold the white. These things feel weird. We're gonna wipe the headlights. I also still need to adjust the headlight with the adjusting screw. Try to get all over it like that. Get this second one. Wiping all around it. Just like that. I know I've been posting like that, y'all, but this is car mods on a budget, bruh. I gotta save sometimes. Wiping it, don't fold the wipe. There we go. Ooh. Go to the second headlight. They already look 10 times better. They were new, but shoot, if I can help them stay new, it's the best thing to do. Second one. I really do love these headlights though, y'all. Look at that. See straight up in there. I can get demon now. I need to get me some freaking halos now. Honestly, y'all. Damn. Alrighty. White. What I gotta do now? Now I took the headlights and forth and get them for 30 minutes. So leave them just like that for 30 minutes. 30 minutes. Don't touch them. Don't get them wet. And that's pretty much it. Bam. Headlight restore.us. Look at that. Whew. Those headlights really did set out the front end even more, y'all. But pretty much, like I said, follow, like, comment. Like I said before, I did replace the side marker light on that side and that side because they were out. They've been zonked up for like months. I didn't even replace them, but so time later, I replaced all the brake pads yesterday with ceramic ones, and because my car was squeaking, I haven't replaced it in a minute. It is due for an oil change now, so I'm gonna do that later. Oh yeah, and we're getting close to that 100,000 mile mark, y'all, on the Challenger. So I can't, I had it for 2 years, got it with 70,000 miles. Keep it rather pretty clean. I want to do something to the inside, get some different seats or something, because the leather is cranking up. But I really do love this car. If I ever have enough money, I'm gonna put a Hellcat engine up in here, or freaking get a supercharger or a turbocharger for this mug and do something like that. Once I get it close to paying it off. I am pretty close now. I only got like 12,000 left, and I got it when it was 20, so. But like they said, I'm just throwing ideas up there. Alright, shout out to headlightrestore.us. Y'all check it out. Y'all get y'all some headlight cleaning, coating, and protecting, everything. Get this right here. Take another look at it. It looks spotless. Yep, just like that. Alright. Remember, don't touch them. 30 minutes, let it dry. And all that extra jazz. But yep, like I said, I got a second box. Whoever wants it, follow me on Instagram, like the picture, and comment any picture, and you can win this. But yep, that's pretty much it, y'all. I just want to do that quick video because I feel like I left that company hanging, and they sent me a free product to give to one of my subscribers, and also gave to me. So I got an engine. I tinted that out black if y'all didn't notice, but yep. Let's go ahead and shut it down. Bro, look at that. Oh my God, I'm done. Let me go ahead and shut her up. Go ahead and shut her up so y'all can see a nice full picture of her. Man. So y'all can see a nice full picture of her. Bro, look at that shine. I waxed the freak out of her. But yeah. Just slides across, man. Just slides across. reflection in that. But anyway, this is just a quick talking mod / headlight clean video, whatever you want to say. I probably should have cleaned those too. You know what? That's why I'm gonna do that too real quick. I'm gonna do that real quick for y'all. Fog lights. Glad I didn't throw it away. Dang, this video done turned to 15 minutes. Dang. I'm trying to keep my videos minimum, bro. I'll be right back. I gotta get this out the goddamn box. You know what? I didn't leave it looking at the fog lights real quick. Man, the struggle reading. You need to get me a goddamn thing. This headlight on this freak look like it's been repaired / you know, melted or molted together. Something like that. Bam. Oh, cut off my light. The light just cut off by itself. Hopefully I didn't kill my battery. But anyway, that's the second one. I'm going to throw away this rag. Just turn it real quickly. Sorry this video is so long and shaking and all over the place. But I just found it lame to just keep pausing it and stuff. There we go, bam. Dang, y'all, look at that. They said don't touch it, but I gotta get a little dry thing under there. Hope I got all of it. There's a second light real quick. Oh, the fog lights are kind of flat, but it's better than nothing. Alright, let that sit for 30 minutes. Bam. Like I said, one way. Know what to do. Well, of course, I had to send it out. Yep. Alrighty. We'll go ahead and get out of here. This video has become long enough. Thanks for watching. Like, subscribe, favorite. Ooh, I almost dropped my phone. And there y'all go. I will catch y'all later. Thank you for watching. And I'm out.